What is up, players? Welcome back and welcome to New. This is a Cairo Privilege. So today guys, we're gonna unbox a new Beyblade. And I ordered it guys from Japan. Kaya medyo so a week or two bago siya parating dito. Pero ayun nga, welcome to another episode of Beyblade Unboxing. And let's start to unbox this Beyblade. So ayun nga guys, the Beyblade that we're going to unbox today is Meteor Dragoon. So guys, ito yung box niya. Takara Tomy, Beyblade X, Meteor Dragoon, and it comes with a winder launcher. That is a Dragon winder guide. And it is a UX17 Meteor Dragoon. Yung ratchet niya is 370, tas yung bit is J, which stands for Jolt. So guys, ito yung back of the box, and what we got here is from Ryugu, the owner of Meteor Dragoon. And as you can see guys, ito yung parts niya. The Meteor Dragoon blade, the 370 ratchet, and the Jolt bit. And ito ang kanyang winder launcher, which is left. And as you can see guys, yung ripcord is Dragon. So ito yung isang side ng box na guys. And so guys, what are we waiting for? Let's start to unbox and look at the parts of Meteor Dragoon. So ito na guys, ito ang kanyang box sa loob. And as you can see, perfectly wrapped siya because this blade is from Japan. And alam na yung mga Japanese guys, magagaling sa trabaho nila, committed, and they take their work seriously. So guys, ito yung box sa loob ni Meteor Dragoon. And ito ang kanyang, katulad na sa last video ko guys, kay Subscribe yung paano dapat nilaro ang mga bladers. Ganyan. Tara guys, oh, grabe ang ganda. So guys, alam niyo naman ito dahil nakikita niyo ito sa mga other VTubers na bubuksan nila itong manual na to. I'm gonna keep it in mind na inay plastic like this, so parang pan-display ko rin siya, tatabi ko na lang din. So ito ang bay na guys, si Meteor Dragoon 370 Jolt. So bago yung bay guys, I wanna talk about how amazing this launcher is. Like, tignan nyo guys, grabe. Grabe ang ganda. Dahil, ayun nga, meron siyang color theme na white and black. Ayun guys. Nakalagay Beyblade X, winder launcher L, stands for left. So, dito ang ipapasok yung winder guys. Tapos, dito kakapit yung Beyblade. Tapos, ito yung kanyang Dragon winder, Dragon ripcord. Dito ipapasok yung ripcord guys sa buntis na yan. Then, cut the bait to go shut. So, we're done for the launcher guys. Let's put that aside. Now, we have the bait itself, Meteor Dragoon. So guys, ang ganda, tignan nyo. So first guys, the blade. And this is Meteor Dragoon blade guys. It comes with a metal coat, metal dragons. Ayan, yung puti guys, bakal yan. Pininturahan ng puti. Then we have this violet parts sa layer niya. I think it's hard rubber. Ayun guys, oh. Buwabakit yung kuko ko. Hard rubber na guys. So guys, as most of you don't know, yung yung ano guys, tawag dun? Yung hard rubber sa layer ni Meteor Dragoon, hindi siya first spin sealing guys. Tandaan nyo yung previous unboxing ko kay Ultimate Valkyrie na meron siyang hard rubber din, pero it's not meant for spin steel but it's meant for smash attacks, like heavy hard attacks. So guys, itong Meteor Dragoon blade. Now let's talk about the 370 ratchet. Yan sa guys. Mas maganda guys kung 360 siya for durability and additional burst ng madalian, pero as I've watched some VTubers na in-unbox na si Meteor Dragoon, para daw maano, kaya daw 370 nilagay sa kanya para mag-stand out yung blade. So guys, bintag yan. Okay guys, dapat naka-align siya sa Dragon Blades sa layer. So ito kayo nga 370 guys, the ratchet and the jolt bit. Guys, ito ang kanyang jolt bit. Comes with a purple-ish or violet color. Yan. So guys, walang sticker si Meteor Dragoon, pero grabe ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Beyblade na to guys. So guys, let's try to spin this Beyblade. And I know na wala akong dalang stadium or paikutan or anything, pero I'm just gonna try to paikutin siya guys. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Ayun. Ano guys, it went for my bag. So, let's try that again. Bigat din. And, nakita nyo guys yung ikot niya. So, that's it guys for unboxing. And I hope you like the video. And if you do, you always know what to do. Give a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell para mag-updated kayo sa aking magiging videos in the near future. So that's it guys for the video. And this is Meteor Dragoon. And peace out.